Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. At the moment still in the support region, in this yellow support region for a potential B wave pullback in our white scenario. First of all, the idea is that obviously off the June low, we completed, basically already completed a 5-wave pattern, at least visually, and we could say that, okay, minimum requirements for a 5-wave advance of the June low are completed and fulfilled. See, we've got a wave 1, we've got a wave 2, we've got a wave 3, we've got a wave 4, and, well, the wave 5 could technically be completed, and then this would be wave 1 in the green count, and the wave 2 could be unfolding right now, and we're forming an A, B, C structure. That's absolutely possible. However, not preferred at this stage. It would be a reasonable alternative. What my preference is, as explained in previous videos, is that, minimum requirements for a 5-wave advance are fulfilled, but it looks more like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the wave 5 is an ABC structure. So we might get one more extension. But probabilities are fairly close together. I mentioned that. There is one clear level that distinguishes between the two potentials of one more extension in wave 1, which would be the white count, and the breakdown in wave 2, which is the green count, and that level is the 50 cent level. So a break below 50 cents will make that basically, well, quite clear. That's typically the level that would distinguish, And I'm not highlighting here that this is a sustained this is an invalidation point, okay? So the 50 cent level is not invalidation. So it takes basically a sustained break below 50 cents to suggest that the white count isn't unfolding. It's not an easy chart at the moment, but these are the two potentials. In both scenarios, we are definitely giving the bulls the benefit of the doubt and allow them, let's say, to form a bullish structure as soon as this correction is over. I don't see this here as a beginning of a new bear market. The move down looks far too corrective for that. Looking at the microstructure at the moment, as you might remember from previous videos, I'm tracking here a W, X, Y structure. We're now in the Y wave, in which already an A, B are completed. We could now be in wave C. So we are holding currently above the 55.7 cent level. It's forming something that you might even call a bit of a bearish flag. We might see it get one more low. I can give you a micro count for this C wave. It's just not very reliable. But what I see here is a potential 5-wave move down in wave C. Wave 1. I need to change the wave degree in a minute. Let's just do that 1 second. And then we can label that properly. So we've got a 1-2 setup there. Okay, wave 1, wave 2. This here, possibly completed third. Maybe this is a 4 and we're now working on wave 5. So we could get one more low. Because in the micro, then we had another 1, 2. This could be a 3, 4, 5. Unfortunately, these 4, 5 patterns here are not very clear. They are not clear at all. So it's also possible that all of this is just wave 4. Okay, so that's not entirely clear, but there is no evidence that a low is in, and it would take a break above 59.6 cents to suggest that this C wave is over. It's wave C of Y of B. Yeah. In the green count, it's also possible because it's basically following the same microstructure like the green count. But in the green count, this here is not a B wave pullback, which would lead to a C wave rally to maybe 85 to 96 cents. No. It's green wave A, which would result in a B wave rally. So on the way up, we might only fill in 3 waves and then there could be a failure. But we can deal with that by tracking the relevant support levels as we go higher. And again, also then there will be a level that will help us to distinguish between the bullish and the bearish potential, between the bullish and the bearish roadmap, basically, or momentum. So 50 cents remains the key level. A break above 59.6 cents, if it's sustained, could be an early indication that indeed a low has formed already. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.